Hey guys, and welcome to my channel. I received these pictures of the new items from Chanel 19b and I wanted to have a look at them. I'm actually on a hunt for a perfect red. I currently have this cocoa handle in this shade, which I absolutely love. And it seemed like the new classic flap. One of them has this shade, so I wanted to go and have a look at it. This bag is so cute. I really like the shade. It's a perfect red actually. I wish there was a classic flap in this color. Maybe Chanel will make it in this shade of red someday. It's perfect. I also saw this green bag, which is really beautiful. I don't know if it's from this collection or from the previous one, but it's stunning. And look at the shade of this SLG versus my bag. So my bag is actually from 2016. I think I bought it in September. And I really love the shade, the new red. My SA said that they had a classic flap, but it got sold out in the morning. And of course I couldn't get here earlier. I also saw this beige, dark beige bag. Classic flap, which is beautiful. I already have one classic flap. It's not too bad, and in fact I think I have more clothes and shoes in this shade of beige, and I think the darker one, this one, suits me better than the classic one, but I don't see the point of buying it because I already have something similar. But it's beautiful. It would look great with cream jackets or dresses. I also saw this shade of blue. It's beautiful. It's a dark blue. It almost looks black, but it's a navy blue. It's not too bad. What do you guys think about it? Would you get it? By the way guys, if you like my content, please consider subscribing and follow me on Instagram. So comparing the colors, it looks a bit darker and it's very shiny, and my bag is more matte. There are other shades of red which I will show you in a second. This bright red, I love it. It's so beautiful. It's my perfect red actually. I like the shoes. Gorgeous. And there are some more boy bags which I will show you in a second, like this one. This shade is so beautiful. I love it. And I also liked these cute brooches, so adorable. And this bag, very beautiful shade of blue. I don't know if it's from the previous collection. And do you like these shoes? They remind me of Gucci actually. And these ones are definitely from the previous collection. The heel is quite solid. I think they would be resistant to scratches. And these ones, I haven't seen these boots before. Obviously I've seen the bags that got sold out super fast here. Moving on, I like the shoes quite a lot actually, but Chanel didn't have my size. They didn't even bring them in. And these are similar to what I have, just a smaller heel. What do you guys think about this jacket? Do you like it? It's quite cute, but it's very expensive. I think I would wear it with the brighter bag. And there is this new shade of blue which is beautiful. It looks very dark in this light and on my phone, but they both look quite nice together, like this bag and this jacket. What do you guys think? I think it's beautiful. I like a nice contrast. I usually try to buy bright bags and have a nice contrast. And I also like this jacket, it's stunning. I could probably pair it with the same blue bag here, and even my red one would look okay. The only thing is this jacket is for a special occasion. It has gold threads, it's beautiful. Oh wow, Chanel still has this bag. I bought it last year and I will link down below the unboxing video for you guys. And what do you think about this shade of blue? This walk in matte. Looks so soft. It's beautiful, but it looks very delicate actually. This jacket. I like this one. This one is not too bad. Could definitely wear for work and it's not very loud, but it looks oversized. What do you guys think? I like these earrings, but they are very, very heavy, but so gorgeous, really stunning. Moving on. I like this clutch, it's so sparkly. Graffiti bag is still available, I'm surprised. I thought they would be sold out everywhere. Do you guys like this bag? If you are looking for it, it's still available in Takashimaya on the second floor. Come have a look. Okay, do you guys like this bag? Not feeling it. I love these shoes, and of course there was no my size, but they are stunning with just some black dress. Gorgeous. And I like the sweater. It actually looks a lot more beautiful in real life. It's stunning and it's not that expensive as I thought it would be. And this skirt is beautiful, so sparkly. Love it. Very beautiful. And I got something small and I will unbox it when I will get home. So stay tuned, I'll show you what I bought. I'm so excited I was able to find it. I like this. We are going to Dior next, and I'm gonna film there hopefully. So we are in Dior and my friend is wearing these shoes. They are gorgeous. And these ones are stunning. Love them. And these shoes are beautiful too, but I think they're too narrow. And these ones too are beautiful. Those are stunning too. I really like them. Moving on. I love these shoes. One of my friends, her name is Trish, I will link down her account in the description box below, has recently bought a bag, and I think these shoes would look amazing with this bag. They are gorgeous. And even these ones, I love this and they're so comfortable. Stunning. I will show you the bag. This is beautiful. I saw it before in burgundy too. It's stunning. I really love it. One more pair that I like that is a bit narrow. They are beautiful. The heel is a bit small, but that's okay. The only thing is I wish they were a bit wider at the front. They're just too narrow and I tend to walk quite a lot in my shoes. I really need to have comfortable shoes. Moving on. These ones are cute too. I saw a sweater and a jacket, I think. I'll try to find it. And these ones are classic. They're really classic. I thought they would be seasonal, but I'm so glad Dior is repeating this design. It's beautiful. I want to find that sweater and a jacket for you. Just some other colors. Beautiful. Okay, this is the one. Actually, it looks quite nice with red. It's beautiful. And there was a sweater as well, which I will try to find. But I like the cutting of this one. It's not too bad. Of course, I have nowhere to wear it in Singapore. And here is the sweater. Really cute. Some accessories. So I'm at home now, and let me unbox this beautiful item for you. I've been on the hunt for this color for a while because I actually had one item, similar one, but I have accidentally washed it with one of my tops and it got completely destroyed. There's nothing I can do to repair it. So I saw this beautiful brooch and it's one solid piece, no pearls, nothing else, just leather and metal, which is perfect. That's what I need, and it will look great with my clothes and my jackets. So pretty. This is it. I hope that you guys liked my video and the brooch that I bought. Please feel free to subscribe to my channel and follow me on Instagram and give this video a thumbs up. And I'll see you next time. Bye!